Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. My name's Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. If you don't know this channel, what we do is we search the internet, all of the job boards daily, trying to weed through all the scams, find the best work from home jobs that are hiring, and share them with you on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. Make sure you're subscribed to have those YouTube notifications turned on. That way YouTube will let you know every time we share fresh job leads. Now, one thing to note, I don't work for any of these companies. I'm simply sharing what I find online. So I don't have any control over any information that is posted in the job leads, whether they decide to post salary or not. And I also don't have any control of how many applications they accept before they take the job posting down and start interviewing people. But with that being said, today we have 2 different part-time job leads, and then we have a few full-time job leads as well, trying to have a mixed bag, hopefully a little bit of something for everyone. We have part-time job leads that pay $27 an hour, full-time jobs that pay up to $31 an hour, and they provide the computer equipment for you. They also give you money every month to pay your internet bill. So we're going to dive on in. First up, we have the company Land O'Lakes. Now, when I think of Land O'Lakes, I immediately think of like sticks of butter, but I guess they are in the whole agriculture farm industry, making different food products, dairy products, that sort of thing. They have 769 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees, with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a part-time data coordination specialist. Now, please note, this is fully remote virtual. They are looking for somebody to work 15 to 20 hours a week. And what you'll be doing in this job is communicating with the growers or the farmers to collect their field management data. And then you're going to maintain communications throughout the process. So this is going to require you to actually communicate through phone, email, and different mediums. Then you're going to make sure that you accurately enter that data and upload that data into Land O'Lakes sustainability software system, making sure that you check it for any errors, making sure it's quality assurance when it is entered. And then you'll report any grower concerns about the farmers and fields, relaying information to your team. Now, this requires a high school diploma or GED, somebody who has experience using computer systems, specifically those Microsoft Office systems, and they do prefer somebody who has a basic production or agricultural knowledge or background. So you've got to know at least a little bit of something about food production. Somebody who is detail-oriented, highly organized. Of course, you have to have reliable internet access, but pay for this part-time position is $27 an hour. If you're looking for more of a full-time position, we have Sarnova hiring. Sarnova has 116 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote Medicaid billing specialist. Now, generally, each state has their own Medicaid billing guidelines, and Medicaid programs are different state to state, but they are looking for a Medicaid billing representative to work with basically claims submitted to Medicaid, making sure that they are paid and all money that is due is collected. So you're going to work claims that are pending in their system, are not able to be released to the insurance company, or have been released to the insurance company and came back as we're not paying. You're going to review those claims, working to identify what caused them to not go out correctly or to not get paid, and identify what you can do, what you can fix to make sure that the claim gets out to Medicaid and gets paid. So you're going to provide additional information to Medicaid as needed to get the claims paid. Sometimes this is sending an appeal, like sending medical records and things like that. They need additional information about the patient, and you're going to handle all correspondence like PDF mail that comes in, email, different things like that about any refunds or claims status as needed. Now, they require somebody who has strong computer skills, that you can multitask, type at least 40 words per minute, and meet tight deadlines. Now, because you are working with Medicaid insurance companies, you might have to pick up the phone and call them or deal with them on the phone from time to time to get additional information that you need so that you know what to fix on a claim. And in that case, they're specifically looking for somebody who has worked in some kind of customer service call center environment where your calls were monitored and scored. So they will be kind of tracking your performance there. You've got to have great communication skills. And unfortunately, this one did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, in yesterday's job lead video, I had a few social media job leads, and a few of you commented you seem to enjoy those. So we have another one. It is from the company CrossFit, like the exercise company. They have 119 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a social media community manager. Now, please note this is a manager position. It's a higher level position than just a regular social media like customer service rep. It is full-time remote for the United States, but they are looking for somebody to help foster those relationships on their online community by responding to social media comments, messages, and mentions in a timely and professional manner. And you make sure when you respond that you align your messaging with CrossFit's values, missions, and kind of brand. You're going to encourage users to generate their own content and post it to build a loyal and engaged community, monitoring these social media channels for trends and opportunity to engage with potential customers. So you're just engaging on these online comments, seeking out and participating in relevant conversations that's happening on social media around CrossFit, trying to just build more of a brand loyal. Now, what you're also going to do is not only are you tracking mentions of CrossFit on social media channels, you're also going to kind of track when people mention CrossFit's competitors, because CrossFit is trying to just take over the fitness industry. Now, please note for this one, because it is a manager position, they're looking for somebody who has a bachelor degree in marketing, communications, journalism, or some other related field, and 3 to 5 years of some kind of social media management experience. You've got to have a great understanding of social media platforms, trends, best practices, how they all work, great writing and communication skills, great attention to detail, and you also got to have a passion for fitness. Now, sadly, again, this is another one that did not list pay. Now, moving on along, next up we have U-Haul hiring. U-Haul generally hires multiple times throughout the year for part-time and full-time positions. Most of U-Haul's positions, though, are going to be customer service phone type based, but they have 3,800 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for an eLive verification phone agent. Now, please note this one is going to be a part-time position. They're looking for part-time agents to work with their U-Haul, and it is going to pay $16 an hour. However, they are hiring throughout the United States, but they are looking for somebody to work in the Arizona time zone where they are based. So if you're outside of that time zone, convert your time zone to see if those hours will work for you. They're looking for somebody to either work a Monday through Sunday shift or a Monday through Tuesday shift, Wednesday through Thursday, and then they have different Friday, Saturday, Sunday hours that they're looking to fill. But you're basically looking to help claim sessions for customers doing business with their truck share. You're going to review each session for accuracy while answering any of the customers' questions that they may have, determining the proper case of action for the instruction materials reviewed. You'll also have to make outbound phone calls for verification of alternate contacts, just communicating via phone and website chat with the customer, making sure that you follow all of U-Haul's policies and procedures. So this does require good listening and communication skills. They're looking for somebody who has 1 year of customer service, somebody who has great attention to detail, great time management skills. No college degree is needed for this one, though. Now, next up, we have AllState hiring. AllState is going to provide all the computer equipment for you that you need to do the job. They're also going to give you additional money every month to pay your internet service. So all you need is be there to actually perform the work. They have 11,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a liability determination adjuster. Now, this is remote, but they are specifically looking for somebody in the Eastern Standard Time Zone or Central Standard Time Zone. But they are really looking for somebody to assist their insurance customers in navigating the aftermath after single or multi-vehicle auto losses. So maybe it's wrecks or maybe their car caught on fire, but they were insured through AllState. And so your day-to-day activities are going to revolve around communicating with various people, including the policyholders or claimants if they caused a wreck and somebody else is filing a claim, different insurance agents, witnesses, repair facilities, and contractors, because you also have to get quotes from these repair facilities and know what is going to pay out for the damages. So you're going to communicate with people through multiple channels like voice calls, email, text messages. You're really just going to be the investigator, bringing all the details together and investigating the casualty or issue, wreck, whatever happened, by performing detailed reviews of damages, maybe pictures. You're going to read and determine policies and determine the coverage. So you've got to read the actual policy that the person has and determine how much coverage they actually have. You're also going to be on the phone with people negotiating claim settlements. Now, you will be assigned a schedule between 7 a.m. and 6 p.m., either Eastern Standard Time, Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday. You do have a potential to work some Saturdays, but it's not a standard requirement. Again, they are providing you with the computer equipment you need to do the job, including laptop, monitors, headset, keyboard, mouse, and they're giving you $80 a month for your cost of internet. But they are looking for somebody who has great communication skills, somebody who can multitask, be detail-oriented. You have that critical thinking or problem-solving mindset. And of course, you can move around, navigate around different software tools for claims processing. You can learn different software quickly. No college degree is needed, but please note, as a condition of employment, you're expected to obtain an adjuster license within 60 days of being hired. So you do not have to have an adjuster license, but you will have to take the test and get your adjuster license within 60 days of getting the job. Pay for this position is dependent on things like location and experience, because anywhere from $18.27 an hour up to $31.25 an hour. And of course, last but not least, we have Voya Financial hiring. They have 1,100 reviews with an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer service contact center rep. This is remote for the United States. So this one is going to require you to be on the phone. It is 100% work from home. They do have office locations if you prefer a hybrid schedule, but they are looking for somebody to work different shifts, with closing time ending around 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So it's kind of almost like restaurant type work. You might get the morning shift, and then another week you might get like the evening shift. They do have a training schedule of 10:45 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You'll have to go through the training and be able to adhere to that schedule. But you're basically going to be doing customer service, communicating with those clients to help make their financial lives better. So you're assisting these customers with planning, designing their financial future, helping them with balance transfers in their accounts, helping them just find their overall account information, put in loan requests, take loan payments, just anything you would think would be financial. So you are just striving to make sure on that first call that you take care of anything that they need. So problem solving and doing multiple tasks. Maybe they need to move some money and apply for a loan all at one time. Doesn't require any college degree though, although they prefer one. They only require a high school diploma or GED and 3 years of customer service. Other than that, you need to have a passion for caring about customers, putting that customer first, have basic computer skills. You can navigate around different software systems, computer systems, be that multitasker. Pay for this position is listed kind of all the way down at the bottom. It's anywhere from $37,510 a year up to $46,890 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. If you enjoyed anything, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.